Okay, update on the bell chime. This is the old converter for my doorbell, and I found this at my local Ace Hardware. Looks to be about the same thing. Says it works with any doorbell, so I'm going to be installing this here. So we'll see how that goes. Should be pretty straightforward though. I think there's 2 wires that come from here, which hooks up directly to the power, and then you hook up the bell chime on this side, so then it converts the power down to 18 volts. Yeah, 18 volts. So let's give it a shot and see if it works. All right, so here's the new one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably mount it here. See if I can zoom out some. There you go. Probably mount it here or somewhere right there. But yeah, this one has 16 volt and 8 volt, and then a 24 volt if you hook it up to these two. I'm probably going to do the 16 because the other one was an 18, just to kind of get as close as I can to what the original was. But now I got to hook these up to the actual power. So let me get to work on that. Okay, so what I ended up having to do per the instructions was come into the top of this box here, tighten that screw up, and it tightens the chime up to the top. Then I just wired to the 16 volt, and now what I'm going to do is wire all these to the actual power coming in, and yeah, that should do it. We'll see though. And there's the final product with everything working. Stay tuned for more home improvements.